And tell me what we're gonna do today?
We're doing a split earlobe repair. It's just a marking pen. I feel a little funny, but. So what'd you think? A cool tone.
I loved it.
You loved it?
I thought it was super easy.
Isn't it crazy that you feel like your whole abdominal muscles contract?
I know. I do that every single day.
Mm-hmm.
I can't wait. Guys, I just had my earlobe done and I'm actually so mad at myself that I didn't do this sooner. I had zero pain, like filler hurts more than that. I didn't feel a thing. It was so short and quick and I got to listen to some good music and made me feel at home, and now we are done and ready to heal up.